Day 76 is ACI Readiness Review. Today confirms the complete solution builds, all tests pass, and the repository stays clean before adding GitHub Actions. Today is not a feature day. Do not add a new test or feature unless an existing test is failing or unclear. The goal is verification. Start from the solution folder and run git status. The expected result is nothing to commit and a clean working tree. If bin or obj files appear, check git ignore. Confirm JobTrackr Solution X includes the tests folder and the JobTrackr test C# project. This lets solution level build and test commands discover the test project. Run .NET restore against JobTrackr Solution X restore downloads or confirms every required NuGet package before the build step. Build the full solution in release configuration with no restore. This proves the separate restore step worked and gives ACI style build baseline. Run all tests in release configuration with no build. The expected result is 15 passed, 0 failed, and 0 skipped. If a test fails, fix only the real cause. List the tests and review their names. The pattern should explain the method or behavior, the scenario, and the expected result. Check the test project file. It should target net 8.0, be marked as a test project, include XUnit and test SDK packages, and reference application and infrastructure. Stop after the verification baseline. Do not add GitHub Actions today, do not create an empty commit, do not update package versions without a reason, and finish with clean git status.